So Chef Payne has caught me making cocoa marzipan beans. So these are going to be part of the garnish for our mocha mousse cake. We've made the piping bags, we've piped out our motifs, and the last garnish is a little cocoa bean, a little what looks like a cocoa bean or coffee bean. So this is almond paste colored and flavored with a little cocoa, real dark black cocoa, so it looks like a coffee bean. And I have cut them into small portions. I rolled it out into a strand and then cut them into small portions. When you're working with almond paste, you want to make sure that you wear gloves. It's a very high fat product, as you can see, and it picks up dirt from your hands and from your bench. So please make sure you're working on a clean bench and you have nice clean gloves on. So I've cut it into small pieces. I'm just rolling it in between my hands until it forms sort of a little oval, and then I'm just gonna make a little indentation here with the back of a knife, and I'm just gonna finish the edges just like that. You'll need 12 of these because they'll go on top of your 12 rosettes along with your 12 seized chocolate motifs. And those are cocoa marzipan beans.